Welcome guys to the new episode of Codezify YouTube channel. In this episode I'm going to give you a quick tour of codezify.com so that you get the understanding what exactly the platform is and how this platform can help you save lakhs of rupees. Okay, if you want to develop a mobile app, then what is the app development cost in India? Okay, specifically in India. So here you can see for basic MVP developers charge you 50,000 to 3 lakh rupees. Okay, and typical timeline is 1 to 2 months and best for simple utilities, internal tools or idea validation. But if you want to include the backend and all the authentication system, then that will come in medium complexity. That will cost you 3 lakhs to 12 lakh rupees and the duration will be 3 to 6 months. Standard e-commerce, booking platform or basic SaaS platforms will come in medium complexity. Now for complex or enterprise type of apps, you have to pay 12 lakhs to 25 lakhs and that will get the timeline of 6 to 12 plus months. Advanced fintech platforms with real-time tracking, AI or ML integration, you are getting the understanding of what package you have to pay to build the apps, right? Similarly, if I search for USA, app development cost in USA, so here you will get for basic apps it will cost you $15,000 to $50,000. Okay, so you get the idea. For medium complexity, like if you want to integrate payment gateways and use apps with user profiles and backend, you will have to pay $50,000 to $1,50,000. Okay, so you get the idea what I am saying here. At Codezify, that's what we are trying to solve. We are going to build as many apps we have to, so that you don't have to rebuild everything from scratch. Yes, there will be customization always, so you can customize the ready-made apps as per your design needs. If you want, we also do the customization at some extra cost, so you can connect and chat with us here in the chat support at the bottom right corner. Okay, we will provide you that service as well if you want customization, but obviously there will be some extra cost to bear the team and the bills. Okay, so what's included in the complete apps? Okay, so here we have grocery app, dating app, courses app, appointment booking app and nutrition AI agent. Here customer app will be included for all the apps. Admin dashboard is included for grocery, dating, and we are going to include the admin app for courses and doctor appointment booking app as well. So you will get that in the same cost. Whenever we add that admin dashboard in these apps, you will get at the same price which you have paid right now. Okay, and for nutrition AI agent there is no need for admin dashboard. Here we have Firebase backend which is included in all the 4 apps, and the nutrition AI agent will be AI powered. Okay, so I will explain you what is nutrition AI agent later in this video itself. Payment integrated, so for all the apps we have included the payment gateway except this nutrition AI. For AI nutritionist chat, that will be for the nutrition AI, and full video course for all the apps so that your tech team will get the understanding of how the app is built. So that is free bonus included with this package. Priority support, you will get the complete priority support wherever you get stuck after purchasing this package. We will help you to get started and to launch it fully on the App Store or Play Store. Okay, only for customization we will charge you some amount. Okay, now if you divide this 5,000 with 5 apps, so per app you will get the cost of $1,000. Okay, if you want you can purchase individual packages as well. For example, you need only grocery delivery app, so we have that facility as well. You can visit the page and you can see what kind of app we have built. Here all the app images and screenshots are added so that you get the understanding what built in this app. Okay, here we have backend collection schemas as well. Okay, and that will cost you $1,200 to get the course and also the clone app. So you can explore all the apps here. Okay, here this is a dating app. We have the complete dating app with chat enabled and admin dashboard as well. So you can explore this. And for nutrition AI agent, this is AI powered nutrition coach. Your users can chat with, get meal plans, calorie tracking advice and diet. So basically this is a chat GPT like app where an AI powered nutritionist will talk to your users and give suggestions, okay, and that will also cost you $1200. Here we will provide you chat support. If you want to customize it, we will help you there as well. And for doctor appointment booking app, in this we have used the Supabase as backend. If you are looking for Flutterflow and Supabase combination, then this is the best option for you available. Here we have provided this doctor appointment booking. Here users can connect with doctors and check out the availability, book appointments, and all that stuff is done in this app, okay. Here we have attached a video so you can see the complete demo of the app here. If you are looking to save your upfront cost and without hiring the developers, we are here to help you at Codesify. Now to get this app, let me show you the dashboard as well. You will click the get your app, okay. Here you have to sign up, okay. If you are a student or a professional, you can add that. You can add the mobile number, basic details like name, email address, country and city, and you will be signed up. If you have already created the account, you can log in here and add the mobile number and country code, and you will get the OTP and you will be inside. So this is the dashboard you will see after logging in, okay. So from here you can directly purchase one price every app. Clone, here I have added the complete details of what you will get after purchasing this. Everything is transparent, there is nothing hidden here. Everything I have added which is transparent. Lifetime access to all Flutterflow courses, all future course updates. You can access the course through mobile app, and you can clone the app in web app and also watch the course in website as well, okay. This is 24 hours 42 minutes of learning content, and this is non-refundable once you get access to the clone apps. So that is clearly mentioned here. Once you get the app, you will not get the refund. So make sure you purchase wisely, you invest wisely and responsibly, okay. When you click here, you will get the pricing, and from here you can pay directly in USD through PayPal, or if you are from India, you can directly pay through UPI or credit card as well, okay. I hope I have mentioned everything which you need. Apart from these 5 apps, what other apps you want me to build, so that I can include that maybe in the same package, or we will create another thing. So if you want enterprise type of apps, CRM solutions, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely work on it and include that in this platform, okay. Okay guys, if you are ready to launch your app, Weekend app, go live in days, no dev team needed here, okay. Sign up and unlock your first app today itself. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Thank you.